Welcome back everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Warsash Beach. We got a guest with us today, Martin from the Autistic Angler channel. Right, show you the rigs, both homemade rigs, 2 at clip down, and this one, it's a loop rig with an extra clip down hook at the top. Just got ragworm on at the minute, just to get the baits out because we've only just got here. I'm going to let the frozen stuff defrost and then mix it up a bit. Got floating beads on because the last time I was over the other side of the river, I was getting crabbed out every 3 minutes. Martin said he was here a little while ago. Crabs were relentless. Right, I'll get these rods out and then I'll bring you back. Right, let's get the first one in. We got to catch a fish today, Martin said. I told him I ain't no expert. First one. Where's that line going? Straight-ish. Right, let's get the second one out and chuck this one a little bit further. Right, just got to wait for the fish. As I say, we've got Martin with us and his boy's dog Lola. What a lovely dog. High tide is in about 2 hours, so fish it up. That'll be 4 o'clock. Probably going to stay till 10 then pack up. Crabs are on it already. I'll bring you back in a bit. I'll tell you what bait we got. We got I got just under a pound of ragworm. Got some white bait, squid, a couple of blueies, a couple of joeys, a couple of crabs, and about 10 mussels. So we've got everything covered. I think Martin's got about the same. Right, time for a bait change. I've had a couple changes since the last bit of filming, and they've been not too bad on the crabs because I've got floating beads on. Right, let's have a look. I think I've still got worm on there, have I? Unless it's a bit of weed. No, got some worm on. Right, the bottom 2 are gone. Bottom 2 have been stripped. Top one is alright. Right, I'll bait up and I'll bring you back. Alright, same rig still. Ragworm on the top, ragworm in the middle, and a bit of white bait on the bottom. See if the crabs like that. I'm sure they do. It seems to like everything at the minute. Right, that's that one out. Give the other one 10 minutes. And I'll change that bait as well. Right, I expect everyone's already subbed to him, but if you ain't, go across to Autistic Angler give him a sub and a like. He's feeding the crabs today as well, just like me. I'll bring it back. Well, I say bait change, I may not have to change anything because I think the crabs have probably had it. On this one I've got a dongle rig with a whole peeler. Thought it might last a bit longer with the crabs because it's so hard. Ah, the ragworms are still on there and the whitebait's still on there. I think because I'm casting in so close, the angle's keeping the beads up, the hooks up, so that's what I might keep doing for a minute. Alright, we're hoping as the sun goes down, the fishing will pick up a little bit. I'm pretty sure it will. I think we've got about an hour till high tide. Got about an hour till high tide, so once it starts running out. Right, high tide's in about an hour. Martin's getting pretty crabbed out, but I've got floating beads on and I'm not chucking them far, so I think because it's quite a steep angle, the beads are keeping it up above the crabs. I've only cast out about 20 yards, 30 yards. I think once it starts getting a little bit darker, we might start picking up a little bit. We started fishing about 2 o'clock, but it's not the best time to start fishing, but it is what it is. High tide was at 4, but we'll be alright. We'll get him a fish. He's come all the way up from Portsmouth, so we've got to get him a fish. Alright, bait change again. Feed some more crabs. Still had no bites yet. Right. The floating beads didn't work that time. The crabs have figured it out. Right, same rig on here. Got a bit of joey on the bottom hook. Where is it? Bit of ragworm on the top hook. Not going to cast it too far. Well, high tide's been and gone. We've got about 2 hours now till the second high tide. About 7:30 it'll be then. Crabs seem to be leaving my bait alone. I think they're still picking on Martin's worms though. Right, other than that, nothing to report. We've had no bites, no nothing. Still got a 2 hook clip down on with ragworm and strip of joey on the dongle rig. That's out as far as I could get it. And the ragworms are probably 20 yards out, something like that, not far. Weed's not a problem. There's some lads fishing further around, they said the weed's been really bad, but we ain't really struggled with it. We had little tiny bits, but nothing much. Nothing to ruin the day anyway. All right, I'll bring you back in a little bit. Well, this has been hard going. Getting crabbed out. Then it started raining, so I walked back to the car, got my waterproofs, come back and stopped. Martin loves feeding the fish, feeding the crabs, I mean. Hey, I said, how you like feeding the crabs? Here he is.
Hello. Oh. Hello everybody.
There he goes. Oh dear. been hard, isn't it?
Certainly has, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I thought this bloke was an expert here.
Expert blanker. Spelt with a B, not a W.
Yeah. I haven't had a bite either, people.
You had a bite of M&M's. Alright, I'll bring it back in a bit. Just like that, it's over. Martin's had enough, I've had enough. I've just snapped off. We've not had a bite between us. I've got a bit of bait left, but I'm going to save that for tomorrow. Go up the Hamble somewhere. Hopefully get something up there. Where's my bloody thing gone? There it is. Right, it's not going to be much of a video this one. I was hoping to catch a couple of fish for Martin, but what can you do? Right, I'll see you on the next video. I mean, this is probably going to be a real short one, but another blank. And just like that, people, the session is over. We've been here, what, 6 hours, 7 hours maybe? Not had a bite, neither of us. So we're going home. I'm going to save me bait. I'm going to run up Hamble in the morning. I think high tide's about 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to go up for that. Right, I'll see you on the next one, and I promise there'll be a fish again.